DLSU Pino full court press lang ang Converge. Dalawang beses pa sinalpakan ni Phillips, habang mainit naman ang former Green Archers na si Shawnee Winston. Heto nga't panoorin natin mga Brody ang magandang bakbakan ng DLSU Green Archers at Converge Fiber X.
Let's meet the start. At the underguard wearing jersey number 24, J.L. De Los Santos. And at forward wearing jersey number 28, Kevin "Thank You" Kimbala. Head coach of your Green Archers, Coach Thomas Rob.
Defending UAAP champions will battle it out against another PBA team. And here we go. Brian Santos and Phillips jumping up. And the first possession will go to the De La Salle Green Archers. Monster performance last night with 28 points and 11 rebounds. Double team. Has to kick it out. Fadeaway shot. Yes! First field goal for JL De Los Santos. Itong si King Garalipio had almost a double-double, 9 points and 10 rebounds.
Yes, he has been sniping last night.
Oo. I think he was perfect on three-point line. As that shot goes, first shot for Aton, taking his time at the point guard position, Justin Arana. Kontra Michael Phillips. Cross-court feed, Brian Santos from the corner. His three-pointer is good. Brian Santos with a
De La Salle.
De Los Santos back out. Justin Arana goes into the basket, but he has to stop. 100 shot. Yes.
Justin Arana.
Got the steal from Justin Arana. Makalalag. Nice setup. And there's the first field goal for Lian Ramiro. So good ball movement by La Salle. They're looking for another open shot. Makalalag squeaks in and Cortez gets the cleanup job for two.
Just be patient. They'll catch up.
That's for sure, especially for Coach Topex Robinson. And Shawnee Winston, the former Lasallian, hits a three-point. Bakit siya natawagan ng offensive foul? Anyways, action continues for La Salle. It's 18-8 for the Converge Fiber Xers. Cortez off the handoff. That's Eli Golyena. Launches for three. Knocks it down. Second three. As Mason Amos had 11 points on 5 of 7 from the field. Rubico now on the free throw line. Nice setup to Raven Cortez. Goes on the reverse.
Like I said, patience, no? So, with that play, as well as yung tatlong 3 points, dalawa kay Golyena, isa kay Austria.
And it's now a 2-point game. Kung kanina, Coach Cholo, it was a 10-0 start for Converge. Shawnee on the drive, counted, and won. Shawnee Winston going aggressive in the first quarter.
That's right.
Offensive rebound by Fornillos. Converge playing all Filipino tonight. And the shot goes off the wing. That's a 20-foot shot for Shawnee Winston.
The oohs and the ahs from the crowd.
Amos down in the paint and his first field goal for Mason Amos. 25-23, so dikit na ating labanan, Coach Cholo. With 90 seconds remaining. Andrade has to kick it out. Kevin Racal straight away. And Magdenberg. And he'll draw a foul.
Racal has been missing, ano?
Medyo malamig yung La Salle. Looks to Cortez kontra Magdenberg.
You know, see? Very active hands.
Oh.
For his frame.
No? We're down to 2 on the shot clock though. Rubico has to fire and hits. And that's a 3. With a 30-26 lead at the end of the first quarter.
Biglang nag-instruct sa mga players and that fueled them to make this huge comeback.
As Amos hits a 3-point shot, make that 5 points in the first half for Mason Amos.
Down by 1 na lang ngayon.
And look at that pressure defense ng La Salle dito sa ating second quarter. Winston has to make an extra effort here. Santos fade away, malakas. And Arana with the putback, but that will not count. Another foul against Converge.
Loose ball.
So loose ball foul, that's right. And a strip by Phillips. Phillips on the foot all the way. Oh! Woo! What an athletic play for Michael Phillips.
Check the rim, Ray. It might be broken.
The rim is still shaking dito sa loob ng USEP Gymnasium. Oh my goodness!
thunderous slam from Phillips. I can't wait to see the replay here.
And here it is, hatid sa inyo ng The Royal Monday Hotel, and there's that athletic jam for Michael Phillips. And the crowd has fired up dito sa loob ng University of Southeastern Philippines Gymnasium.
Power jam. I like this Phillips guy, very
And it's now a
aggressive,
1-point lead for LaSalle and a quick answer for Brian Santos. JL Dos Santos inside to Arana, able to receive the pass. One-hander is good. So hindi rin magpapatalo. Here comes Dungo. Amos stops on a dime, hits another one.
I think that's his second three.
9 points for Mason Brian Santos.
Sobra lang, sayang.
On the other end, that's Stockton to the cup.
The change of pace.
Oh, yan yung laruan talaga ni Alex Stockton with a much improved campaign for
Yes.
Converge last conference sa PBA Philippine Cup.
Strong finish from Alex Stockton.
On the other end, that's Makalalag on the blow-by. He blew by Justin Arana. You know, a different beast now for LaSalle as they're trying to protect their title
Correct.
for the upcoming season 87 in UAAP. Golyena hits another three for the De La Salle Green Archers, and a quick timeout on the other end for the rebound by Makalalag. Kevin Kiambao against Mike Nieto. One-hander is good. First basket in the second quarter
Mahirap na tira, isang kamay, no?
for Converge.
And solid screen for Arana. But
Intercepted though by Kevin
still,
Kiambao.
Yes.
4-on-3 pass break. Kiambao sets up to Cortez, and the second chance is good.
Good tip.
Raven Cortez.
And it's now a quick set. 4 to shoot though for JL De Los Santos. Are they aware of it? Brian Santos at the buzzer, and he goes.
Santos for three.
It's a huge possession for Converge.
Ito, a quick 5-0 blast on the other end for Converge Fiber Xers. Ito na, tumatakbo na si Shawnee Winston. Brian Santos could not save the basketball. Loose ball. And that will go to De La Salle. And CJ Austria with a nice catch and finish. And looks like he's trying to taunt. You know, that's his antics
That's his
for
style. Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Arana, babangga sa ilalim. Another hook shot. 100 shot. Bullet pass, not a good idea. Intercepted by Phillips.
Phillips
LaSalle
was
goes
all
on the
over.
run. Makalala gets away.
I was saying Phillips was all over the floor, no?
Grabe yung activity on both ends itong si Michael Phillips.
Correct.
And we're approaching 2.5 minutes remaining. Santos, another missed shot from the outside. So he has been struggling in the first half. Mula sa three-point country, Kiambao, quick shot. Austria cleans it up.
Right place at the right time. Itong si Austria.
Okay, so 10 na ang abante, Coach Cholo.
10 points indeed, no? Again, 2-1 press.
And
De La
Golyena
Salle.
with a steal, goes to the basket and the layup. Fast break points for LaSalle. Foul if you're the white shirts. Golyena, open three. Got it to go!
Oh,
It's been raining freeze for the Dane. That's a wild shot. And LaSalle, another fast break opportunity. Kiambao, no look to Phillips! Opportunity. Kiambao. Now taking his time, Marasigan. That's a three! Sila ng 17.
oo nga eh.
Caralipio has been silent. A hop step and the basket. Alongside that guy right there, Mason Amos. Golyena on the blow by. What a play by Eli Golyena!
Bang klase.
He thought he was fouled, and here comes LaSalle. Austria, kontra kang Rakal. Quick spin move to the cup for two. And that will count and foul. May foul pa. Shawnee Winston. Now guarded by Austria. Winston all the way to the cup. Able to see some crack of the defense.
No, masyadong eh. Do you think this game will be badikit na naman?
And that is the challenge if you're Converge. LaSalle player. And here comes BJ Andrade for three.
There we go.
7-point game. As Converge trying to make a run in the third. Austria on the drive. Kicks it out. Abadam. That's a three coming off the timeout. Has to kick it out. Andrade, another three. Another one. Second straight three for BJ on 5 seconds. For Makalala, goes to work. against Magdeburg, down to 2 seconds. Launches! Got it! At the buzzer! JC Makalalag! As De La Salle takes a 94-85 lead. Swatted away by Michael Phillips.
Here we
Kiambao.
go.
Back to Phillips!
Baby!
Woo! What a play between the two front court players, Kiambao and Phillips.
Galit na galit. Gustong manakit.
And the
Grabe.
rim is still shaking on the other end.
Oo nga eh.
Here comes Alex Stockton. Back to Justin Arana. Counted and one.
Basket count for Justin Arana.
Same 2 points, Ray.
Oh, here's that replay update sa inyo ng Royal Mandaya Hotel. Here's that fast break. Kiambao. No look pass to Phillips
So,
for that poster.
kailangan bumalik sa depensa.
David
itong
Dongo.
Converge.
On the runner.
Oh my
Got it.
gosh.
And one.
Oh.
And Converge wanted to challenge that call. Battle for the loose ball. Arana wins it. Kevin Racal, balik kang Stockton. That's great defense from Phillips. Down to 4 seconds. Arana
Ganda.
turns, shoots, and scores. Ni Alex Stockton. Now taking his time at the point. Doing the ball handling duties for the Converge Fiber Xers. Almost a swipe.
Santos is in the corner.
5 to
Waiting.
shoot. Shawnee Winston.
There you go, sabi ko na eh.
Santos for 3.
Pasok.
Knocks it down. 4-point game.
Kitang-kita.
Right on cue.
Exact.
There's still plenty of basketball. 7 minutes remaining. Arana posting up against Phillips. Turns, shoots, scores.
Wow.
Another basket for Justin Arana.
In terms of scoring.
On the hands of Michael Phillips. Poposting ngayon kontra ang Santos. Phillips hook shot. That's good.
Great shot from Phillips.
Coming off the timeout. Winston now against his former team. Santos, extra pass. Stockton from the corner. Got it to go. 1-point game. And De La Salle looking to capitalize. Makalalag kontra kang JL De Los Santos.
Uy, ganda
Amos,
ng-
nice entry pass.
Mm.
Phillips, poposting ngayon. Back out to CJ Austria with 7 to shoot. Goes baseline and a shot. That's good.
The CJ Austria is
They were down as much as 19. Amos almost a strip. Makalalag able to recover and gets the basket to go. Another big shot for JC. Down to a 5-point game. Makalalag in trouble. Arana takes it away. Arana on the footways
Oh my.
and jams it home. Scoring the wala sa Davao City Sports Development Division. And the throwdown for Justin Stockton. Surveys the floor. There's a pick by Arana. He stops, slip. Arana gets to the basket. Draws the foul and one.
ayaw talaga.
In traffic. Arana kontra kang Michael Phillips. Inside. Another foul. And that will be against Michael Phillips. And Mike, one of the improved players for the Converge Fiber Xers. Another na dito sa crunch time. 1 for 2 from the line. Draw the foul, no whistle. Abadam steps inside, no. And a whistle.
Ay ko po.
Two teams. Santos looks for the opening. No look. Magdeburg will try. 3 points, good.
Big shot from the big guy.
With a 3-point play.
Johnny wide open.
All the way.
Oh,
Blocked by Phillips. Rejected. And here comes the sound of the fast break. Austria against Stockton. Yes! Woo! Clutch basket for CJ Austria after that emphatic block from Michael Phillips.
What solid screen.
Oh! By Kiambao! But wait a minute, a foul called.
Access denied from KQ.
Oh my goodness. And the crowd has fired up late on a Friday night dito sa University of Southeastern Philippines Gymnasium.
Dome.
And that was an athletic States. And Kiambao almost slipped. Abadam, big shot! Dagger!
Backbreaker.
Dagger shot for EJ Abadam. Timeout. Woo! Converge, Fiber Xers. And there's our replay at sa inyo ng the Royal Mandaya Hotel on that dagger 3 for Abadam. Santos with 13 to shoot. Launches, no! And a rebound by La Salle. Here comes Kappa for the layup! Yes!
Pumasok.
It's an 8-point lead. Shawnee for 3, no! And that will do it. The De La Salle Green Archers with a come from behind victory against